Mosaics are a part of what make the smart asset system unique and flexible. They are fixed assets on the NEM blockchain that can represent a set of multiple identical things that do not change. A mosaic could be a token, but it could also be a collection of more specialized assets such as reward points, shares of stock, signatures, status flags, votes, or even other currencies. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to send and receive mosaics using your NEM wallet. Part 1. Sending mosaics. Step 1. Click the Send tab located at the top left of the header menu. Step 2. Tick the Mosaic Transfer checkbox. Step 3. Choose a mosaic on the drop-down menu on the right side panel. In this example, we'll use LoyalCoin. LoyalCoin utilizes the namespace appsolutely and uses the acronym LYL as its mosaic token. Thus, we select appsolutely LYL from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click Attach, then set the amount you wish to send. Step 5. Enter the wallet address of the recipient, then enter your wallet password. Click the Send button. Congratulations! You have now sent LoyalCoin mosaics. If you are sending mosaics to an exchange, you might need to enter a unique message as an identifier. Please follow the instructions provided by the exchange, otherwise your deposits will be lost. Part 2. Receiving mosaics. To receive mosaics from another NEM wallet or exchange account, simply provide your NEM address to the sender. You can get your NEM account address by clicking the Account tab in the upper right-hand corner. Once the transaction has been confirmed by the NEM blockchain, the history will then show up on your dashboard. If you need any further assistance, please visit the NEM Help Desk Telegram group at t.me/NEMHelpDesk.